Namaste students. We are in a parabolic equation where I have already done one problem and will move towards the one more problem. See the problem there. For the following data, fit a parabolic plane of the type y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. So you know that based on equation you have to prepare the table. So you will get there here production is nothing but which they have given in the problem. Then x square, x cube, x to the power 4, xy and x square y. These columns we will prepare based on the equations. So we will write the parabolic equation is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square, and we know that y is the actual value and x is a tan, and these a, b, c are constants. So we need to find out the value of those constants by using three normal equations. So the normal equations are this we consider as the first equation. The normal equation sigma y is equal to Na plus b sigma x plus c sigma x square. Next comes here sigma xy is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square plus c sigma x to the power 3 or cube. Next, sigma x square y is equal to a sigma x square plus b sigma x to the power cube plus c sigma x to the power 4. So this is second equation here, and this comes as third and this comes as fourth. Now you will get to know you need to prepare the column of sigma y, sigma xy, sigma x square y, xy, sigma y or y. Then you will get to know you require x column, x square, x cube and x to the power 4. So based on that we will prepare the columns. Now we will complete the table. Production, that is y actual value which they have given 8, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15 and 17. Then we will assign the x there, we will assign the x. As you observe here, 7 number of series. Now, as you know how to allocate x in case of odd number of series. Firstly, we get for the middle value there 0. Then it goes like -1, -2, -3. Here 1, 2, 3. Now x square becomes 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4 and 9. And when it comes to cube, we get as 27, here 8, 1, 0, minus. Here 1, 8 and 27. When it comes to power 4, 81, 16, 1, 0, 1, 16 and 81. Now x into y production 50 into 3, 0, 1, 50 and 2 into 60, that is we get here minus value. Here we get as 120, x we get 55, next one it is 0, next we get 70, 2, next we get 146. Okay. Next, last one 75 into 3, that is 225. Okay, 225. Then last column x square into y, 9 into 50, that there we get 0, 45. So 450 we get. Then 60 into 4, 0, that is 240 we get there. Then 55 into 1, there it is 55. Then 0. 72 into 1, here we get 72. 73 into 4, there we get 292. And 75 into 9, there we get 675. So now we total the column. Here we get sigma y as 446 and sigma x we get as 0 like always, and here it is 10, 14 plus 14, that we get sigma x square as 28. X cube once again we get sigma x cube as 0, and here we get sigma x to the power 4, it is 196, and sigma xy is equal to 180, and last column, that is sigma x square, where we get 1784. Once check the calculation. Now what we need to do, we have to substitute into this particular equation. Now substitute the values into the equation. What happens when we substitute? For the three equations we get now sigma y. What is the total of sigma y? That is 446 is equal to n. What is the number of n? 7. So n is 7, a as it is, plus sigma x, b sigma x. See the total of sigma x. Sigma x is 0. So this doesn't come there. This will become 0. Not necessary to write. X square. See sigma x square. Total of x square is 28. So 28c. And this is fifth equation. Now come to third equation there. Sigma xy. Sigma xy is 118. 118 is equal to there a sigma x. We know that sigma x is 0 there. So this doesn't come there. X square. X square is 28. So 28b. 28b. And x cube, once again we know x cube is 0. So it will become 0. Not necessary to write. So this is sixth equation. Now see last equation, that is fourth one. Sigma x square 1784. 1784 is equal to x square by 1. A sigma x square. X square is 28. 28a. Then plus b sigma x cube. X cube is 0. So this doesn't come over there. See there. X to the power 4. 196. Plus 196c. This is 7th equation. Now when you observe these three equations, we find that sixth one is the simple form. So we'll take first the sixth equation. From equation 6, that is 118 is equal to 28b. Here easily we can find out the value of b. That is 118 by 28 is equal to b. So what do we get there? We get there 4.21 as b. So we got the value of b. one equation we got out of this B. Now we need to find out A and C. One constant value we got that 4121, that is of B. Now A and C we need to find out. Now when you observe these two equations, see here also A and here also C. We need to use a method of cancellation. So now we need to multiply this fifth equation into 4. If we multiply, we can make this as 28. So we can cancel over there and we get one of the constant value over there. Now next, from equation 5th and 7, equation 5 multiplied with 4, right? Equation 5 multiplied with 4. When we multiply 4 into this equation, now what do we get? 446 into 4, we get a 1784, then is equal to 4 into 7, that is 28A, plus 28 into 7, that is 112C. That is when we multiply fifth equation with 4. Then take this equation 7, that is 1784 is equal to 28A plus 196C. So now we use the method of cancellation. Change the sign. See here, it gets cancelled. Once again, these values also gets cancelled. So here only we get here we get as 0. So we get here what is 84C. We get here minus 84C. So when we divide 0 by 84, it remains as 0. So value of C we get in this particular problem, that is 0. Now we got the two constants, that is B as 4.21 and C as 0. Now we need to substitute this C into any one of the equation where we find C. See, in these two equations we can substitute, but it is better to take first one always. It will be C values will be smaller compared to this equation. So we'll take the fifth one. Now substitute C into equation 5. Now take the fifth equation, that is 446 7A plus 28C. So 446 is equal to 7A. This one we need to find out. That's what we are substituting C into this equation. So here 28 into 0, because C value of C is 0. So this will become 0. So 446 is equal to 7. So here 446 by 7 is equal to A. We get A as 63.71 is equal to A. So this is the value of A. So we got the three constants over here. Now we need to substitute into the equation. This equation we need to substitute. So what is the equation there? Y is equal to A plus BX plus CX squared. So what is the value of A? Value of A we got as here 63.71. So 63.71 plus what is the value of B? That is 4.21 x plus what is the value of C? C Next problem. Sorry, we left question here in the beginning. It was not only that fit a parabolic, right? One more question was there along with that. Also, I have not written here, but also estimate the sales or profit, whatever it is, for the year 2010. Like how we need to find out in the case of a straight line equation. Firstly, we need to find out all the trend values, whichever year they have given here, and then we need to estimate for one particular year which they will mention. So, in case of parabolic, in the last problem, we have not got this particular question. Also estimate for one particular year. But in this problem, they have mentioned that also estimate the production for the year 2010. But we have problem here till 2008. We have problem here till 2008 here. So, in order to find out or in order to substitute into this equation, we require the value of x. Like previous equation, we require value of x. So, we have value of x till 2008. Value of x for 2008 it is 3. Then what would be the value of x for the year 2010? 2009 then it is 4. 2010 it is 5. 2008 it is 3 here. Sorry. Yes, 2008 it is 3. Then for the year 2009 it is 4. And for the year 2010 it is 5 then. For the year 2010 it is 5. Sorry, it is 2011. So for the year 2011 it will be 6. In the problem 2011 it is 6, not for the 2010. 2011 it is 2011 x is 6. So now we take this equation for the year. We know x is 6 there. For the year 2011, now y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square and a 63.71 plus 4.21x plus 0 into x square. Now 63.71 as it is plus 4.21 x, where x is equal to 6 into 6 plus 0 into 6 square. 6 square whatever it is, when we multiply 0 it becomes 0 again. So we get 63.71 plus 4.21 into 6, that is 25.26. So total would be there 88.79. Approximately we can make it 89 quintals production for the year 2011. So whichever year they will mention there, so you have to extend the x values. For 2008 if it is 3, 2009, 10, 11, 4, 5, 6 for the year 2011, which was x value. Then after getting equation, substitute to x here. Then this is the production for year whichever they will mention. So two problems we completed under parabolic equation. If necessary, one more problem we will do under this method. Okay students, we will see one more problem, last problem under parabolic equation. Small problem. I have taken a very small problem. And see here, observe here, how many number of series are there? 4 number of series. And when we do not get odd number of series, we will not assign 0. So how we need to take the x values? We need to take like -1, -3, 1, 3, and x square here 9, 1 here 9, x cube here -27, -1, 1, 27, and here -81, here -81, then 1, 1, positive 81. X into y, 3 into 10, that is -30, 3 into 10, 12 into 1. So here -12, 30 into 1, 30, 10 into 3, 30. X square 9 into 10. That is 90. 1 into 10. 1 into 12. In 12. 1 into 13. 13. 9 into 10. 90. Now total the columns. Here sigma, it is nothing but y. Sigma y is equal to 45. Then sigma x is as always 0. And here it is sigma x square is equal to 20. X cube once again 0. And here x to the power 4, there is sigma x to the power 4, 164. 164. And here it is, we get 1. Sigma x y is equal to 1. Then last column, x squared y is equal to 205. So here it is 20, 45, 164. Now right there we have I have written the equation here. Then take this 3 normal equations. The 3 normal equations. Set the equation sigma y is equal to NA plus B sigma x plus C sigma x square. Then sigma xy is equal to A sigma x plus B sigma x square plus C sigma x to the power 3 or 2. Next, sigma x square y is equal to A sigma x square plus B sigma x cube plus C sigma x to the power 4. Now this is the first equation, second, third, and this is the fourth equation. Substitute the values here. Now substitute the values in the equation. When we substitute sigma y it is 45. N, how many number of series? 4. A, B sigma x and x cube always 0. X is 0. So this doesn't come. X square it is 20. So 20c. This is fifth equation. Next xy is 1 is equal to A sigma x is 0. So it doesn't come. B sigma x square 20b plus C sigma x cube is 0. It doesn't come over there. So it is sixth equation. Last, see there, sigma x square by 205 is equal to A sigma x square 20a plus B sigma x cube is 0. Doesn't come. C sigma x to the power 4, 164c. 7. Like always, we'll take sixth equation from equation 6 because it is a simpler equation among these. So 1 is equal to 20b. So here 1 by 20 is equal to b. So value of b we get as 0.05. Value of b. Next, what we need to do? These two equations contains the same variable. So we have to take these two equations and we have to use the method of cancellation. So from equation, which equation is there? 5th and 7 multiply. Now see here which number we have to multiply not to make this any value to equal. If we multiply 5th equation by 5, we can make these two as equal. 4 into 5, 20 will get. So we'll multiply. So multiply 5th equation into 5. So when we multiply, what do we get there? 45 into 4 into 5, 28 plus 20 into 5, 100C. This equation is multiplied by 5. Then take this equation as it is. 2 not 5 is equal to 28 plus 164C. Change the sign. This gets cancelled. Here 225 minus 205, that is 20 minus 20. Sorry, no, positive 20. Here minus 64. 64C. So here now 20 divided by minus 64 is equal to C. So we get value of C as 0.31. Sorry, minus 0.31. We get value of as minus 0.31. Now one more variable is one more constant value is pending. That is, we got C and B. Now A is pending. So substitute this C into equation 5. We can take equation 7 also. As I said, their values will be little larger compared to this. So we take this equation. Always we take this equation. So from equation 5, take the equation 45 is equal to 4A plus 20C. 45 4A plus 20. What is the value of C? That is, value of C is minus 0.31. So when we 45 is equal to 4A plus 20 into 0.31, we get as 6.2. This is minus here, minus 6.2. So 45, when it comes here, it becomes plus, is equal to 4A. So 45 plus 6.2, that is 51.2 divided by 4 is equal to A. When we divide, we get there 12.8. So this is the value of A. So here it is A, here it is C, and here it is B. What we need to do now? Now we need to substitute into the equation. What is the equation? Y is equal to A plus BX plus CX squared. Value of A is, value of A is 12.8. Value of B is 0.05. X as it is, since we are not calculating for any other year, plus value of C it is 0.31 x squared. Which value we got as minus? Did we get any value here minus? That is, this is minus. So C is minus into x squared. So this is the equation. I hope you are clear, since we have done 3 problems under this particular method, under parabolic method. Today 2 problems, and in the last section I have done 1 problem. Please go through this clearly, because it will come for 10 marks. Out of 3 equations, any one equation will come for 10 marks. Now in the next session we will move towards the logarithm or exponential